I'm 1, 2, 3 fat buds. Come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grummies, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do. Heck, I even love ya. Grummies.
Peekaboo. Good morning, Grummies. Oh, well, we got a female window licker here. Little AG is trying to look out the window, baby. Back in flash. Okay, dokie. Today is Saturday, March the 14th. And it is time for all the ladies to get a feed. Well, this little American gangster is the only thing that's going to get a feed. So I'm just going to do dry amendments on her. I don't want to trying to mix a very small batch of the liquid. The Ouija cheese and the a Dream Rider are not getting a feed. They're getting very close to finishing. So we're just going to whip up some dry amendments for this little lady here. Do a little training. And of course put some STS to her. And she is, let's see, day 4 of week 6. Oh. Barely showing pistols, man. I gotta get this thing in the 3x3. Alright. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I got a lot to do to this little American gangster. It's gonna be lunchtime before I finish. The time is getting away from me. But I leapfrogged 2 clips. Leapfrogged that clip to there, and the one on the back side there. From there to there. Clip that one over and clip that one over. Now I'm going to cut this fan leaf off and this fan leaf off. I have a little bit of a hole right here. Now if I was to put a clip on and just bend it straight down, I'd be directly over top of that node. But I love clips because you can make them go any direction you want. So I'm going to make her come down and over. I'm going to fill in this hole right here. As long as the ladies don't mind me filling in the holes, I just keep on doing it, baby. I'm going to do the same thing to that one. I'm going to fill in the hole over there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get her top dress ready. It's a 5-gallon pot. I'm going 4 tablespoons tomato, vegetable, and herb, 2 tablespoons all-purpose, and 4 tablespoons flour girl. I'm going to chunk in some Mycos and a half cup of worm castings. I'm going to get that all done and get it top dressed. I'll bring you back. We'll do a little bit of LS10, and then we'll put the STS application on this lower node, this lower branch, and the opposite one on the other side. I'll be back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I got 4 tablespoons tomato, vegetable, and herb, 2 tablespoons all-purpose, and 4 tablespoons flour girl. A total of 10 tablespoons. 5-gallon pot, 2 tablespoons per gallon. Half a cup of worm castings and some Mycos. I pre-mix this stuff sometimes, and if I pre-mix it, 3 or 4 days ahead of time, the Mycos will turn this into a block. I'll have to bust the block all up. So I try not to do that nowadays. Yeah, but the Mycos will take off, turn this into a block like he was trying to grow shrooms. But yeah. Oh, I've been raising the light up on her every day. Every day, keeping it right around 380 on the top with the par. And I'm steadily picking it up. I had somebody in live this morning throw in something when I mentioned that I don't push my autoflowers over 600 par. Somebody had something to say about that. I keep my opinions to myself unless somebody asks for them. You know how that goes. Everybody's got one. But all I can say about that is the grow shows. And I show plenty of grows. They never fucking lie. Don't go over 600 par on your autoflowers is what I say. Do what you fucking want. Alright, back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Got the top dress in. Go ahead and get this clipped over. Go ahead and get these two clipped over. And then we'll jump into the STS. And then I'm going to call that a wrap. I'm going to get all these ladies watered up and get mom fed and into bed so I can take my sick ass to bed. And we'll jump into the grow room tomorrow. We may even be doing a chop. May even be doing a choppity chop. Let me see. I'm just angling it to be in between these nodes here. Just a little dangle on the angle. I don't know if I mentioned it, but she was 22 inches when I measured her this morning. The par was 380 last night when I put her to bed and was over 420 this morning. I may have shown that. I don't know. Alright. Let me get all the STS stuff together. Get the right branch turned around here. We're going to start on. I'll bring you back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Here's our little STS spray instructions again. Of course, I don't spray. Oh, please forgive me if I sound like a grumpy old man. I am. I get grumpy when I don't feel good. Fucking couldn't find my brand new snips that Mary sent me. Couldn't find them STS instructions. My goddamn sink's full of fucking dirty dishes. Yeah, I got my shit going on. Feel like ass, so I'm grumpy. I'm a grumpy old fucker. All right, let me get some STS. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my little glassity here. We'll get after it. Okie dokie. I brought out a bigger gun. Bigger gun this round. I think this particular branch is gonna be round 5 for this one. I try not to get it on anything else. I'm basically painting the branch and painting the stems on the larger fan leaves. They don't like it. They will get yellowed up on you quick if you spray it on the larger leaves. And of course, that doesn't help the growth on what you're trying to make throw balls. I want healthy balls. That little weakness. It won't be long. We'll be seeing something going on here. As soon as she gets in the flower a little bit better, she damn sure is taking her time. We picked a good one to fucking do a seed increase on. That's all I know, Grammys. I'd rather be lucky than good any day. Right? Alright. I'll put you on hold for a second. I'm going to finish this one up. And I'll spin her around and bring you back for the other one. Okie dokie. This will be the third application for this branch.
Well, the accident created electrical short, fried all the drives. I mean, look at it, it's toast.
I pulled all the pins and everything out so I can get the top dress in. So I'm just going to leave her out here. Let her get all dried up. Get her all pinned down nice and pretty like I like. And I'll pop her back into the 2x2 and water her up. And we'll jump into the grow room tomorrow, Sunday morning. If I'm still alive, I will see you. Alright. Alright. Thanks for dropping in, Gromy. I appreciate you much. I'm going to take my time with this and get her like I like her and go water up the ladies in the grow room, and I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.